Hello and welcome. You will learn what is 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. You may have heard of the high-protein, low-carbohydrate Atkins diet. The keto diet keeps carbohydrate levels low, but instead of ramping up the amount of protein in your diet, the keto diet increases the amount of fat. A typical keto diet aims for meals with 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbohydrate. Eating a high-fat diet can still mean eating healthy. What is 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan? 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan is not a diet, it's a lifestyle guide to provide your body with what it needs to achieve your health, fitness, and weight loss goals. It's all about what the foods you put into your body, but unlike diets, everything you receive from the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan is based on what your specific body needs. It doesn't involve figuring out portions, or reading nutritional labels and trying to decipher them. Everything is done for you, so all you have to do is follow along with the day-by-day, meal-by-meal plans provided to you. So, if you've been thinking about going keto or are looking for an easy, enjoyable way to achieve your goals, here's what you can expect from the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan that is more like a healthy, delicious guide you can use for the rest of your life. How does Custom Keto Diet Program work? Simple is the only word that can describe the working of this product. There is nothing unusual in its functioning, but the program is going to give you some unique and extraordinary results. The program offers you a list of options depending on your habits, lifestyles, and goals. Once you answer all the listed questions, you will receive a personalized plan that you can use for up to 8 weeks. Keep it in your brain that this plan will be customizable and will depend on the information that you are going to add while answering the questions in the starting. So try to give the correct details so that you can get the best plan. From basic to advanced, you will learn everything about the keto diet. The program is going to add a variety of meats, snacks, and vegetables in your food plan. You will get different options to select from to eat at a specific time. However, you can select the food that you like the most. So it's a great thing that you will lose weight even without quitting your favorite food. What you will get in the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Package. 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan is a comprehensive program that guides you through the process of transforming your eating habits, health, and lifestyle, so that by the end of the 8 weeks, you'll know exactly what to do to continue on and further your results. It's customized based on your specific information and goals, providing you with recipes and meal plans according to what your body needs. It also gives you everything you need to enjoy the process, such as day-by-day plans and meal-by-meal recipes that have the portion sizes already determined for you and the nutritional information displayed, so you don't just complete the program but also learn about the keto foods, your body, and how the two help you achieve your goals now and moving forward. Now, if you're new to the keto world, the system also provides you with an abundance of information that teaches you all about ketogenic diet and lifestyle, including tips and hacks to make the transition even easier. To give you a better idea of just how valuable and comprehensive the program is, here's a look at some of the topics, features, and recipes that you receive. Keto 101 videos and ebooks. An AZ of everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet. Introduction to Keto. What is the ketogenic diet? Benefits of the ketogenic diet. Keto diet and blood pressure. What do I eat on a keto diet? How does the keto diet work for weight loss? Getting started on the keto diet. Keto recipes. Keto tips, hacks, and conclusion. You also will receive your custom keto diet plan based on the information you put in, which includes shopping lists for each week, day-to-day recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, nutritional breakdown of every recipes and meal, Portion sizes. Option to swap meals that don't appeal to you. With every meal, you get the recommended portion size based on your specific body and goals, and a breakdown of the nutrition so you can learn what your body needs, making it easy to continue on well after the 8 weeks are over. Extra cookbooks give you all the keto-friendly recipes. Keto bacon recipes. Keto fat bombs. Keto party snacks. Keto superfood smoothie recipes. Keto peanut butter threats. Keto savory foods. Keto chocolate treats. Keto avocado recipes. Keto desserts. Keto cookies. Fast keto recipes. Who is the creator of the 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan? Rachel Roberts is the author of 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan. Like many of us, she also fell for all the myths, scams, lies and influencer-promoted weight loss guidelines that didn't work. Being frustrated with the excess fat she still had regardless of her efforts, Rachel started to do some research. She found scientific studies about the mistakes and solutions for successfully losing sustainable weight. It all comes down to following a regime that is customized to your body, situation, goals, and taste buds. Pros. It offers a personalized food plan that you can use for 8 weeks. The program doesn't demand you to perform workout to lose weight. You will consume the calculated amount of calories so that you can lose weight. It additionally has many health benefits. The program minimizes the risk of a heart attack. A tremendous 60-day refund policy comes with it. Cons. You have to follow every single step. Its results may fluctuate. Conclusion. The 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan may be a regime for 2 months, but it's also much more than that. In addition to providing you with what you need to transform your eating habits into healthy, keto-friendly ones, you also learn valuable information, recipes and meal plans that will help you long after the 8 weeks are up. Everything is customized for you based on the information you enter at the beginning, so you don't have to do all of those calculations, figure out portion sizes or read through tons of labels to find out whether or not something is for you. The program has already done that for you. All you have to do is follow along with the recipes and meal plans. It's the easiest, most enjoyable, and fairly effortless way to transform your life, health and fitness. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead let me know by leaving a comment below right now.